Do you know there's different ways to handle your accounting business in the ATM business? Stay to the end of the video and I'm going to show you what that is. Hi, I'm Phil from PDQ Merchant Enterprises and the ATM Mastermind Group page, and we help hundreds of aspiring ATM business owners go from 0 ATMs to ATM Business Pro in as little as 30 days. Without further ado, the top 5 things you need to know about accounting in the ATM business. All right, so a lot of people are asking me, Phil, do you use accounting software in the ATM business? What do you use? And I said, yes, we do use accounting software in the ATM business. We use Quickbooks. Quickbooks helps us manage all, and I wish this is not a paid performance. I'm not making any money off of Quickbooks for the endorsement. I've just been using them since basically 2000, and it's been real good for us. Quickbooks is a great accounting software that you can use. You can use Quickbooks Online or Quickbooks Desktop. I would recommend Quickbooks Desktop, not Quickbooks Online, just in case you have other companies that you want to do. Quickbooks Desktop is a little cheaper than Quickbooks Online if you want to have multiple companies. It also gives you some more functionality. But Quickbooks is the best way to go. Nice little accounting software that you can manage your P&L, your balance sheets. You can use it for forecasting, and you can look at what you've been doing and what you did last year and the year before. But I would highly recommend, if you get more than a couple ATMs, you use Quickbooks for your accounting needs. Plus, at the end of the year, it helps you with 1099s, and it gives you a nice file that you can just upload to your account. Hi, this is Phil from PDQ Merchant Enterprises, and we're here to just let you guys know that we also sell wireless devices in case you guys need a wireless device, and we also sell parts in case you guys need any parts for your ATMs. We also offer processing, so if you're buying an ATM from us, we can offer processing, or you bought an ATM from somebody else and now you want to change, you want to process with somebody else, we can also offer processing for you guys. And we're going to take an additional $50 off if you want to buy an ATM from us. If you just want to mention a promo code, which is 2023, we're going to take an additional $50 off if you order an ATM. And with this special, we're also going to offer $50 off for any new ATM sales. Just mention the promo code 2023 and we'll take an additional $50 off our regular price of the ATMs. So just want to let you guys know that we appreciate any and all your business, and thank you guys for being part of the ATM Mastermind Group, and thank you for being part of the PDQ family. Number 2, reconciliation. We reconcile every day all our ATMs and our checkbook with our vault cash, just to make sure that there's no leakage with anybody filling the ATMs or there's no mismanagement of funds. So we reconcile on a daily basis to help us manage our cash and our cash flow, because you don't want to have too much ATM money in one ATM and then you know what, your other one is short. You got to manage that on a daily basis. There are, in our web tool, there's forecasting tools that tell you how many days until load, but you also want to know how to do this manually, or there's other programs that will help you do this. So if you're thinking about starting your own profitable ATM business, stay to the end of the video and I will share with you our checklist entitled ATM Business Passive Income Checklist. 5 things you need to know to start a profitable ATM business so you can have a passive income source for your family. You'll have a clear roadmap towards ATM success so you can earn between $250 and $1,500 of passive income every single month. All right, let's get back to the video. Number 3, setting out monthly statements. Now, back in the old days, we would print the ATM statements out, we put them in a folder, we'd wrap that up and send a check out to our customers. Pain in the butt, hated every minute of it, hated the end of the month. Actually, it was the beginning of the next month, but I didn't like that time. So now what we do is we get their emails every time. We email them a statement, so they get their statement on the 1st of the month, and then we ACH them their money between the 4th and the 8th of the next month. Makes it real easy, automatic. I highly recommend, if you're in the ATM business, you do that to simplify your steps and minimize your work in front of the computer. Number 4, now at the end of the year, you're gonna have to send them a 1099. Now, we used to send out, just so you guys know, we changed this last year, is we used to send out a 1099 miscellaneous, but now we send out a 1099 NEC. So make sure when you guys send out your ATM 1099s this year, you do a 1099 NEC. Just want you to look it up, Google it, and you can see the difference between 1099 and 1099 miscellaneous. But our accountant was always instructing us to put 1099 NEC. And then 5, one of the things I tell you guys to do is set up a S corporation, set an LLC. When you are setting up your S corporation at the end of the year, beginning next year, you're going to have to do, basically you're going to have an officers meeting. You'll have to do that filing. That's a little extra step that you don't have to do if you're an LLC filing as a sole proprietor. But if you have an LLC and you file as an S Corp, you will have to do that. That's why I always recommend just do an S Corp. Is much easier. But you'll have to do that little filing every year to let the corporation, the state, the federal know that you were in business and you had your officers meeting. Your accountant can do that for you. It's not very hard. Maybe I like to take my family out to dinner and have that meeting, but you guys can have it however you want. Just have it in your corporate papers that you had that meeting once a year and the officers had that meeting. So if you're thinking about starting your own profitable ATM business, I want to invite you to our free checklist entitled ATM Business Passive Income Checklist, the 5 things you need to know to start a profitable ATM business so you can start earning passive income, make more money, and spend more time with your family. So if you're interested, click the link down below and start your ATM journey today. Again, this is Phil from PDQ Merchant Enterprises and the ATM Mastermind group page, where we buy your freedom back one transaction at a time. Thank you guys very much for making us #1 on YouTube, and always check us out on Rumble.